Hello everyone, today we will do yoga position. And how to do that position, I will show you some exercises which help you to stretch your body for that element. So first what you're starting to do, we'll take two legs together, take one knee on ourselves and open our hip, and starting we can help our hand fix and open. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take the back leg more for ourselves and starting to pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's sit and take more of our stomach for a leg. Not like that, okay? Like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, try to take the leg and pushing more on ourselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly go down. Takes feet and starting to push. Takes 1, takes 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we will take our knees, take elbow and pushing in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take two legs, slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe, it takes me like. So bye bye.